Hello friends, welcome back. Now this video is shot entirely in iPhone and DSLR Canon 1100D. The video is on a common, simpler South Indian dish that can be had at any time. Friends, this is the simplest village cooking style.
Oh, is it? It must be so tasty and yummy. Oh, look at the steam. It's yummy.
Hello friends, this is the Indian traditional. It's rava appam. That is in English semolina. And the chutney, you will love it. It's delicious. Rava means semolina powder. Okay. Now this is the very simplest recipe. It will hit your tongues. Okay. And if you love it, please hit the button subscription and do comment. So it's me, Javier, signing off until next video. Bye bye.
Say what you wanna say to me now.